Hey guys, I aspire to share my thoughts which are coming having read so many content and articles and watched so many practices and information which are going on around us. Do you know what one partiality is going on among people? What is that? In PM's Care Fund, 9,677 crore amount has been donated by donors or richest person of our country. Now question comes, where has this amount gone? This amount, or we can say this fund, is being transferred as a salary to government employees, and especially education department teachers. Now most special thing is that has to be understood. Employees of education department, I am talking about teachers, they are totally free. Neither they are doing work nor contributing in this time for our country, but still getting salary without working hard. How rubbish thing it is going on. If I disclose, teacher's salary is 50,000 plus. College teacher, professor, their salary is 1 lakh and more than that. Can you imagine? This amount is being used by these people sitting in a home without toiling hard. They are filling their account, they are entertaining themselves, they are indulging, and so on. It's a ridiculous. I would like to decode you, private teachers and private workers have nothing to do and to get. Since we know education department is closed, from where they will get money and how will they survive? Our government has not thought about them. They have reserved only their political seat in politics, or they want to get just only vote. That's why they prefer only for government people to get vote. Now I would like to give you some measures which are very crucial to be implemented. At first, government employees must not be given free salary. If government cannot enforce this, then they can give them half salary in this tough time. So remaining amount can be utilized for public support as well as for private teachers. After all, private teacher also contribute to make children able or efficient in studying or other activities in order to develop our nation. Medical departments worker, police department workers who are working day and night and who are serving, their salary must not be cut. They should be given fully salary. Even they should be given double salary. Common people must be given assistance by government. After all, government is called king, and king's duty is to maintain equality and unity among people. Labor and worker should be given financial support so that they could feel comfortable in this tough time. New applicants should be given new jobs by replacing old employees, because we know old employees have not energy. They are not giving their 100%. They have not good brain cells. They come and they sit and they just only waste their time. So new applicant will go in the government sector and they will get chance and they will give their 100% so that so many evilness can be eradicated from our country and new things will come, so many changes will come. So newcomer will get also chance to sustain good control in government policies. I would like to just only say one thing to government. Government must give also chance to youngster so that youngster will also give good return for brightening our nation. Thank you. Hope you got the reality of government. We will meet with next reality in next video. Stay tuned.